What's going on everyone, this is Raheel and welcome to my channel, where you'll find quality tips and tutorials on various topics. In this video, I'll be discussing the top 3 code smells I've come across and have unfortunately implemented in Python. If you're not familiar with what a code smell is, here's the definition from Wikipedia. Remember, a code smell is subjective and can vary by developer and methodology. Therefore, this is strictly my opinion, and such practices have a time and place to be implemented. Let's start with number 1. Grouping functions with classes. Say I have a blog post that I want to perform an action on. I want to group a series of operations together, such as deleting or editing the blog post together. My instinct is to group 2 functions together under an editing class. I can then pass in the blog post as an argument. Classes to me are templates for object instantiation, so when there's a random object that is being created with no data attached, it can be pretty annoying. What should be done is to create a new blog post using that class and to use those functions inside that class. Number 2. Global variables. Those who are following my Twitter know my distaste for the use of global variables in general. In my opinion, using these variables instead of arguments and return values is not good design. For example, if I want to order pizza using an order pizza function, my phone number is assigned to number in the global scope, and the pizza place's number is assigned to number in the local context of the same variable. If I use a global variable, the number inside the function becomes my number instead of the intended number. This is easily avoidable, but it still prevents confusion as to where your variable is being used. Number 3. Duplicate if statements. Let's say you want to check someone's bank balance. If it is below 5 or 10, they have too much or too little money, and the function returns none. The way it's written out isn't ideal, as it isn't leveraging Python's elif statement and is increasing conditional complexity. There are 4 levels to refactor this code. Add an elif statement like I mentioned, use an OR logical operator, combine the 2 statements, or return the value with an inline condition. Refactoring your code to reflect suitable design methodology reflects your knowledge of syntax and practices, but more importantly ensures that your code is readable and usable. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Hit that like button if you enjoyed. As always, I'll see you in the next video. See ya!